Stop then. Hi guys, so we are at Claypole level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, we've got another message from him. Oh my god, 8 AM, not sure I was even awake at that time. I'll do my very best to get over there, mate. But thanks, and I'll read the ID out. Anyways, I should get a visit from him later on. Here she is, we've got a 91 coming, and this is for, and the time is 12:43 on Friday the 31st of October 2014. This is for our 12:44, 1 Alpha 28 East Coast service from East London King's Cross. Is it a 91? Can't see from here very well. Yeah, it is a 91 with blue LED lights. The newer ones. Signal box, I suppose. God, this train's got brand new lights on it. Nice. $82,219. 91,129, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.